Welcome to another quick bite video from the Insurance Domain Training Center. In the past, video evidence was often regarded as one of the most reliable forms of proof in an insurance claim. A video of a vehicle accident or property damage could significantly influence a claim decision. Today, however, the rise of artificial intelligence has created a new risk: deepfake videos. AI can generate or manipulate videos that appear remarkably real, making it increasingly difficult to distinguish fact from fiction. So, can video evidence still be trusted? How can insurers identify deepfake videos? And what tools and techniques are available to verify the authenticity of digital evidence?
Welcome to this explainer on AI deepfakes in insurance claims. Can video evidence still be trusted? Look, if you work anywhere near claims, SIU, or fraud detection, you already know the ground is totally shifting beneath our feet right now. We are moving from a world where we just gathered evidence to a world where we really have to interrogate it.
For years, having a video of a loss event was the ultimate proof for an investigator. You had the video, you had an open and shut case. But today, with the absolute explosion of generative AI, we have to ask ourselves a pretty chilling question. Can video evidence still be trusted? When literally anyone with a smartphone and the right software can conjure up a totally fake fender bender or, a flooded basement out of thin air, where does that leave the truth?
Okay, here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, we'll cover the video trust crisis. Second, the 5 digital shields. Third, a real-world case study of a faked collision. And finally, the future of verification.
Let's dive right into Section 1, the video trust crisis, or the end of seeing is believing.
The stark reality here is that human observation alone is just no longer enough to catch manipulated video fraud. Fraudsters are using advanced AI to whip up entirely fake loss events, and honestly, they look terrifyingly real. We just can't rely solely on our own eyes anymore. If you're staring at a highly polished deepfake trying to spot the fraud just by squinting at your screen, you are absolutely bringing a knife to a gunfight.
So, let's move to Section 2. The 5 digital shields. This is how we escape that deepfake anxiety.
Because we don't have to be victims here. Our first shield is metadata analysis. Think of metadata as the digital DNA of a file. Every single time a video is recorded, the device invisibly stamps it with crucial info. The exact date, time, device type, GPS coordinates, and, super importantly, its editing history. So if a claimant says an accident happened on Tuesday in Chicago, but the metadata tells us the video was created 3 years ago in Miami, you immediately know something is terribly wrong.
And the best part is, you don't need to be some master hacker to access this. We're looking at common, widely available tools here like EXIF tool and media info. Claims adjusters are using these right now to just crack open a file and read its hidden history in literally seconds. It is an incredibly powerful first line of defense. Shield number 2 builds on that defense: reverse image and video verification. Look, not every fraudster is an AI mastermind, right? A lot of them are just lazy. They'll download dashcam footage of a crash from YouTube and claim it as their own. So you extract frames from the submitted video, run them through tools like Google Lens or TinEye, and boom, you can instantly see if that exact loss event has been floating around the internet for the last 5 years.
Now, our third shield has a really brilliant irony to it: AI-based deepfake detection. Sometimes the only way to beat a sophisticated AI is, to use an even more advanced AI. While our human eyes get easily distracted by the dramatic surface visuals of a car crash, an AI detector is looking at the pure math. It's analyzing microscopic facial movements, unnatural lighting patterns, shadows that don't quite match the angle of the sun, or audio that's just milliseconds out of sync. It spots the hidden digital artifacts we humans would never catch.
And the industry isn't just sitting on its hands here. Major insurers and financial institutions are actively evaluating and deploying AI detection solutions, like Reality Defender, Hive, and Deepfake. When you integrate these directly into your claims workflow, suspicious files get flagged automatically. Think about the massive savings there. You are stopping a fraudulent claim dead in its tracks before an adjuster even spends 10 minutes reviewing the file. It's a real game changer.
Shield 4 is all about getting proactive. Video authentication platforms. Instead of just taking whatever random file a claimant emails in, insurers are forcing the issue right at the point of capture. Using platforms like Deepfake Vision, they send the claimant a secure link. The platform then verifies that the camera on their specific, genuine device is capturing live footage right then and there. It creates an absolute, unbreakable chain of custody from the accident scene straight to the claims file. Finally, we have the fifth shield, which is arguably the strongest of the whole shebang: cross-verification. Even the most flawless, hyper-realistic deepfake is going to fall completely apart when you stack it against a massive wall of independent data. A fake video can't fake the telematics data showing zero impact. It can't fake the CCTV footage from the intersection down the street. And it definitely can't fake police reports, weather information, or the mobile location ping showing the claimant's phone was actually at a coffee shop 30 miles away.
Which brings us perfectly to Section 3, Case Study, Faked Collision. Let's see these shields in action. Let's step directly into the shoes of an SIU investigator handling a suspicious claim. Imagine they get this dramatic crash video. Here is the exact chronological workflow. Minute 1, the investigator checks the metadata with XF tool. Maybe it looks okay, or maybe it's mysteriously wiped clean. Minute 5, they run it through a deepfake detector, which flags a minor shadow inconsistency on the rear bumper. By minute 15, they pull telematics data. Minute 30, they secure nearby CCTV footage. And by minute 45, they pulled the historical weather report for that exact zip code. They are meticulously layering these digital shields to uncover the truth.
And here is the ultimate gotcha moment. The video evidence clearly shows a crash happening in bright, clear daylight. But the weather records and the intersection CCTV, they totally contradict it. They confirm that at the exact time and location reported, there was heavy rain and pitch darkness. That mismatch completely dismantles a highly sophisticated, expensive AI fraud attempt. Context destroys the fake every single time.
Let's wrap things up with Section 4, the future of verification.
So what does this all mean for us? Well, as this quote beautifully summarizes, AI is giving fraudsters new capabilities, sure, but it is also giving us incredible new tools to fight back. The future of claims investigation isn't going to rely on a single piece of evidence. There is no silver bullet here. Instead, we're going to combine video authentication, AI-powered detection, telematics, and good old-fashioned investigative instincts. It's about layering all these tools to verify the absolute truth behind every single claim.
So I want to leave you with this final thought to kickstart some conversations with your teams today. Look at your current workflows. Is your claims department ready for the deepfake era? If a perfectly rendered, AI-generated video landed on your desk this afternoon, would you catch it or would you pay it out? The deepfake era isn't coming tomorrow, folks. It's already here. The only question is, are you ready to face it?
Thank you for watching the Quick Bite series from www.insurtech.com. Please like and subscribe to our videos for you to get notification when we upload new videos.